Metamorphosis is a faith-based nonprofit organization that offers a companion education program for youth offenders. The Metamorphosis Paradigm Shift program is comprised of 3 components necessary for youth to master in order to change their outlook and improve the likelihood of a successful transition to society upon their release. There are 3 parts to the Paradigm Shift program. First, building social emotional skills. Second, developing through visitation and mentoring. And 3, mastering through reentry. The first portion of instruction is building social emotional skills. Metamorphosis has determined 20 social emotional skills necessary for your successful reentry. While you are inside, you will have an opportunity to build these skills with classroom instruction. To help you with this, we've categorized the skills into 3 components. First, thinking skills. Second, social skills. And third, negotiating skills. You belong to many communities, both inside and out. School, work, home, and peer group are all communities in which you participate. Learning to apply thinking skills now will prepare you for your future release. Appropriate interactions in your community help you successfully re-enter society. Let's begin with the thinking skills needed to improve your likelihood of successful re-entry. Today we will be focused on a valuable skill, asking for permission. We will practice applying this skill in many social situations you may face both now and in the future. Think about these potential situations in which you may need to ask for permission. Maybe at school you'll need to use a library, or perhaps at work you'll need to come in late one day for a doctor's appointment. What about if you want to use some of your roommate's food? Or maybe you want to use a friend's video game. In this unit, we'll talk about situations that require permission, and then we'll talk about some best practices. We'll observe models asking for permission, and then we'll practice using role play examples in the classroom. When you're done with this unit, you'll be able to demonstrate the 5 steps in asking for permission, explain best practices in asking for permission, and apply the process for asking for permission in all 4 social situations. Let's get started on asking for permission.
Hi, my name is Joey. Asking for permission is a thinking skill. It shows you have thought about being respectful of the relationships in your life. There are 4 easy steps to asking for permission. They require you to give it some thought. You'll need to know what, who, how, and when. Then you can ask.
Think about what it is that you'd like to do that would require permission. Do you want to use something of someone else's? Go somewhere. Need special privileges?
Who do I need to ask for that permission? Will it be my manager, or my teacher, or a friend?
How exactly will I do it? Will I ask out loud? Or ask privately? Or do it formally in writing?
And finally, when is the right time to ask for permission? Should I ask my manager before they hit the sales floor? Or is it at the end of the day? Or should I ask on my break?
Good morning, Mr. Smith. Do you have a moment? I am all caught up on my invoicing for the week. May I come in 1 hour late tomorrow so I can go to a doctor's appointment?
Asking for permission demonstrates you respect your relationships. Some best practices to remember: look them in the eye, use a calm voice, and accept their response, good or bad.